Migration Media Awards 2025 basically focuses on promoting and encouraging young professionals, young journalists to cover migration stories, discuss areas of migration which are not otherwise discussed. Migration is a subject which is not highly promoted in Pakistan. It's a significant occasion in raising awareness on this important topic and really focusing on the need to spread accurate, timely information to communities, to people on relevant legal and safe channels available for migration and how to avoid and curb irregular channels for migration.
ये आने वाली नस्लों को भी बोलूँगा, मुझे एक बार क्या 10 बार भी डंकी लगाने का मौका मिले तो मैं जिंदगी में सोचूंगा भी नहीं ये डंकी के लिए।